the screen. Y'all know a lot of creators are playing NBA 2K early. They got that code. I just hope you guys hit a like, drop a like on the video, drop a comment, so the devs could start seeing how active we are. I'm going to be going crazy this whole year. The rewards are worth the grind. It's like a million VC at Legend 5. Like, they are worth the grind. No, I think that's like 10 million. It's like 10 million VC on one. Like, bro, it's 10 million, and it's a million, and it's like the Legend spin, the cap breakers. Like, it's so many stuff. I'm going to be grinding. This year has a great year of grinding stuff and making content to where I could definitely get my channel really going. We could get up to that 500k subs type area, or just get on that track to get there. You know, definitely get on that track to getting to 200k and knocking that out the way, right? So on the screen here, we see that this is the NBA 2K25 template build. Now, I'm not putting the best Kevin Durant build or nothing like that. This is the template build, but just doing a quick brief breeze through, looking at the build, it looks similar to how I've been saying I'm going to make my build, but with a lot of things tweaked in. Now, this is the template build, meaning the devs and the people made this as the template. Now, KD, I'm going to take him down from that power forward and take him to that small forward position. Now, like I told you guys, there's going to be a few things that we're going to maximize a little bit different on him, and I just want to go through the template builder and show you guys what I am going to maximize different on him. So first off, we see his close shot is 88. His driving layup is very high. That's crazy that you could have a super high driving layup like this, 93, and then a high driving dunk to 87. That's why I told you, oh my god, I'm about to go crazy on my KD build. See, nobody, I could tell already, nobody gonna make their KD build like me. I'm gonna be the first person to make it the way I make it, and then people probably gonna try like piggyback. Watch, guaranteed. Because I just see most of the KD builds is looking like this. Even people that went to community day, their KD builds was looking exactly like this, except for the super high driving layup, which I'm not gonna do. But I do want a good amount of driving layup on them, so I'm probably gonna have it high too on here. Could drop it down to an 85, and even an 80. Just go 88. Whoo, my KD build about to be disgusting. Listen, turn on notice drop. That's gonna be my, after I make this video, because I want to talk about badges and stuff, right? And I'm going to show you guys something detailed in my next video, and that's going to be my last video, right? 2 videos today, and that's going to be my last video. My next video is going to be the official Kevin Durant build video. I need y'all on that, watching the full video. Even if you don't got time to watch, let it run, let it play out. Go do whatever you gotta do, just leave it tabbed open. But watch that KD video. I need that booming, because I'm going to want my KD video to stand out from everybody else's, alright? So make sure y'all there to show that support. I already know we're going to go crazy on the views and stuff on it, but yo, we got more stats than last year, y'all. I'm about to go nuts. The stand and dunk is not bad. It's like, I wouldn't use that stat that high though, which is crazy to me, but it's like, you know what, I drop it down. I ain't gonna tell y'all, but just know this stat is getting touched. It's gonna be dropped down to something else, you know, because I just play around with the game a little differently. The post control at an 84. Like I told you guys, post control is like but the template builder, one thing I'm seeing that I'm liking is they have most of my max stats where I want it to be at. But one thing that they don't have right is the defense. I keep seeing it and I'm like, and then another thing too, we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna show y'all what else is not right with the build. That's like, nah, he's not gonna be the kid. It looks so beautiful. I'm telling you, the spread looks beautiful. Trust me, I'm one of those guys who could look at the spread and be like, yeah, this is looking beautiful. But watch this, because the 84 post control, you could probably get, you probably already damn near got unpluckable on silver, so you basically have it on gold using the max badge perk. I'm going to try to see if I could finesse something with that. If I could finesse something to get a Kevin Durant build with gold unpluckable, he's going to be silver, obviously. But even gold, because you could probably stretch that post, it depends. Because if I could take away from the driving layup, the driving dunk, and have those really balanced to where I can really make the post control the high stat there, and get it, that will benefit me. I'm already a dribbler on the KD build. You guys can look and see the ball handle. Ooh, that speed with ball though, I'm not liking that. It's not that much off, but it is. It makes a difference. The 71 makes a difference. I've been seeing 71 on KD builds. I like the 71 speed with ball more. And the 80 speed. He's slower too. I just have to touch up on it real quick so y'all can see why I'm like stopping. Damn. But everything else looks so much better. Like this, the mid-range shot, 93. That's where we're going at. 3.86 to 85 is where we're going to be going at. Okay, this has to be minimum wingspan, like the short wingspan. They have it like this. Free throw 86, pass accuracy 75. If 2K is putting the pass accuracy at 75 on the NBA template builds, you guys need to start listening to OG. It's a balanced cap. I don't know why people like I can't. Like if you even get bronze to silver badges, and you probably gonna get maybe a silver badge, right? Or you just get to that area. Like that's the threshold. 75 is a good threshold. 70 and lower is like you're tweaking. You better be able to pass good with it. Some people can, some people can't. That's how it is in life. The ball hand on 78 is what I like, but I do like that 71 speed with ball that I've seen people with. That's just you're gonna move more with that. You are. And then here's what I don't like with the build. A KD build is like, to me, is useless if a big could just still body you and stuff like that, you know. I'm gonna want my 80 perimeter defense to be able to switch and play good D, because I just love defense in the game, and I'm going to want that block at 80. The steal can be low. I never care to have steal on the KD build. I just want to be on that perimeter, waste the shot clock out. The shot clock don't go forever. I'm not impatient. You know what I mean? Clamp them up, boom. So those stats have to come to 80. We can leave this interior at a 75, even maybe drop it a little bit. But we'll see what defensive badges we get in the paint, because it seems like they're giving us a little bit more. And if I get something to block a lot, I may want to add that there, because it'll just make my KD build even more elite. I'm too good on defense. And then being able to cook on offense like how I know how to cook. I always adapt to a 2K no matter what changes up in it, and I'm just gonna be super elite. You know, that defense there always makes a change. It always makes a change. Even when you playing people, when you getting stops, they start to get rattled, and you just get more confident, man. It's gems, mental gems you gotta give your brain. So I feel like that defense should be there. If y'all don't want to run the defense, like, yo, this template is not bad. This is actually a very good template when you look at it. You could just tweak a little bit, maybe tweak it up a little bit, but this is not a bad template build, because the post control is probably getting you to get a pluckable on a high level, and it's still going to help out this right here, the speed with ball, and it's still going to help you not to get stripped and stuff. But when I come down to the speed, I've seen KD builds were being able to have 80 speed to 81, and then higher agility. I'm going to want a higher agility on my KD to be able to move off ball and catch it. Sometimes I like to play like that. Hot potato pass the ball, run around the screen, catch it. I don't use the screen that way. I just do a pump fake, go into my dribble move, boom, create that space right there. Then I get the shot. You know, that little rhythm just to throw players off and to get them shaky. So I'm going to need that agility higher. And oh, I just peeped that stat. Look what they doing to KD. That's why this build looks so OP. I was like, yo, something has to be off. So it let me know strength, and like post control is like like expensive stats, because I'm like, yo, everything is perfect going down the line. I skipped the rebound area because that's cool for me. That's what I would really rock, like the 44 offensive rebound and the 60 defensive rebound. That's what I would rock with skill boost on. That's what I would rock. Defensive boost, yeah, you gonna grab boards, you're 6'10", you got the height that just adds to the rebound, so, you know. But god damn, no, this is not it, people. This is where the build becomes garbage. I'm gonna lie, I ain't gonna lie to you. That did it for me. I didn't even look at that stat. I was looking at everything else, but I did not look at that. And you can look how high this goes. You can tell this gets higher than 60. But this is where they capped it out to, a 60 strength for KD. And it makes strength, because KD not no boom, backing you down. He not like that. It makes sense. But no, we need that physical handle. See, we're not going to ever get the superstar 100% KD, but your skill makes him that. They will never give us the like what they have in play now. You want to know why? Because that's so OP. He's too powerful. Like, you're not stopping. So they do things like that where it's like, okay, you're not gonna have physical handles. Like this is probably physical handles like bronze, maybe silver, not even silver, maybe bronze. That's not it. When lockdowns come, they bump you. Your dribble you gonna get in more animations. You gonna get animated more. No, we want to get the less animations. That legend. Go watch my last. Go watch all the KD videos I made and watch how I'm talking about that legend physical handles. That on top of silver unpluckable from one of your match badge perks is going to come in clutch. Okay. Even that badge alone, let's just say if you had bronze, you wasn't able to get the max badge perk and you just only had the bronze and pluck. That badge is going to help you, okay? 2K always uses their words, helps you to not be bothered by defenders. Like, come on, bothered. Like, what's bothered? Bothered is so, like, it's more bold than that, you know? So many things. How can you be bothered? In what ways, you know? But it's not saying that. We know how the badge plays out if you use it. It helps you just contact it. Okay, for example, if you have physical handles, you could put the ball between people's legs. If you had it on a high level, you could put the ball between people's legs in a high ball control. It was a certain ball control cap, and you could put it between people's legs. If you didn't have that ball control cap, you just get more ability to where you just bump off of players and you're dribbling and you just get through them instead of getting clunked up, animated, and then they get the pick in the steal. So that badge is crucial to a tall build. I feel like any small forward is crucial. Even a smaller player coming with a little high steal, because there's going to be some of those 6'4s with the high steal, and you using a small forward out there, if they get in the right position, they can pluck you. But if you got that badge, you bumping them off because you could get physical, and you're not getting bothered. Your handle's not getting bothered. So that's key that we need. And I see why this KD build was a little slower, because he's a little heavier. We're going down in that weight. Doesn't make sense to make him that heavy and not have the strength there. I don't get it, but the wingspan's still 6'10", but it doesn't make strength. It doesn't make sense. But I guess they want to level him out how they feel like he should be. But we could probably even have more rebounding too now that I'm looking at it, because I'm just going to tweak down a lot of these stats. A lot of them. Not a lot, like I already showed you guys, like boom, that speed needs to be higher. Speed with ball handle is perfect. 3-pointer is just where I wanted that, but we could go 85. It depends, because sometimes it'd be little 1 points, and I do make my changes like, oh, I need that one little point to be there, or boom, and I do make those changes, and I will explain my meaning and reasoning behind it on why I did that. But the post control definitely going to come down, because I'd rather 85 strength, 84 strength, you know, rather than the post control. Is going to be way more damage. Even boxing out, ability to get boards, ability to wall up with a center, and slow him down to get a block with the 80 block that I'm going to put, because the 74 and 73 don't cut it for me. That's still not bad on a KD if you just, like, you know, trying to have fun out there. But playing comp, I'm going to need the higher defensive stats. So let me know what y'all think about this, man. Like I said, I can't wait for tomorrow. Let me know what y'all think about this KD template build. Would you use this KD template build? How's it looking? You know, not looking bad. Like, the templates actually look a little bit better than it did in previous years. Well, last year when they did them. All right, y'all hit that like, man. Subscribe. I'll see y'all in my next video.